Good afternoon, everybody. My name is William. So, for the last few months, we've been having some issues with water coming into the basement, tons of standing water taking place around the property. I'm a DIYer, so my first step was to go look online to see what I could do to fix this problem, and I kept coming across YouTube videos from Chuck over at Are Drainage, so I just started watching and taking in as much information as I could to make some educated decisions on how I could fix my property in the most cost-efficient way. I had some folks come out and give me estimates, and it was thousands and thousands of dollars, and we couldn't do that. So I called Chuck up at Are Drainage. He's up in North Carolina and down in Florida, and then I'm in South Carolina. So he has a service that allows him to do a video-based calling or counseling or consulting to help and identify some problems. So I had a game plan drawn up, which I was able to walk through with him, and he was able to give me some tips, and I wanted to show you guys the outcome. My call with him was worth its weight in gold. So if you guys need some assistance with your project, your drainage project that you're working on, I highly recommend using his online Skype or FaceTiming consultation. Especially if he can't make it out to see you. So I just want to show you the end product. We've already had tons of rain come after I've laid the pipe, and you'll see from today that the water is moving away and back to the pond, and it's not standing anymore. So I can't thank you enough, Chuck. Here's the final work that you will see. What you're looking at here in the corner is my downspouts in the back entry into my basement. So there used to be tons of standing water coming down from here. The empty T that you see down the corner will be a clean out that is hooked up to my footer drain from the front of the property. We had water coming in at the footer level around the property, so we've identified some areas that we need to put clean outs to help the process in the future if I need to clean anything out. We then tied in some downspouts and ran both corrugated solid and corrugated perforated pipe throughout the property at a good slope that is running down to the pond. So as we walk down, you will see that we've tied in the rest of our downspouts along with some footer drains to make a long run down to the pond. All the pipe isn't in its exact entirety where it's going to fall finally, but as you can tell from some of the water, this used to be a large pond of water, and it's already sucking up the water and moving it away to where it needs to go. I wanted to show this video just as a testimony of Chuck's support over at Are Drainage. We could not have done it without him. He was able to give us some counseling, some tips throughout the process to really assist us in making this much easier than it could have been without him. So I can't thank you enough, Chuck. Have a good one.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Are Drainage. You know, we have hundreds of testimonials about live help and how well the system really works. If you've got a drainage problem and really need some help, give us a call. Hey, just a quick note about live help, video consultation via Skype. We also can do FaceTime with the iPhone, either one. Great way to help with project planning, can help you figure out what you need to do, materials, cost, and labor as far as that goes. But sign up online and we'll get you on the schedule. We are extremely busy here in Central Florida, and hurricane season is here, but the real hurricane season is just around the corner. I urge you to sign up online as soon as you can And I do apologize if you don't get an email back from us. We work 7 days a week. We try to do 2 jobs a day. We're pretty busy, but I'm sure that we can fit you into the schedule.